In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all emails from Outlook vertical bar export all your emails. By the end, you'll have a complete backup of your mailbox in a single file called a PST. This file is a copy of your emails and folders. Nothing gets deleted from your account. So it's a safe way to archive, move mail to another computer, or keep a personal backup. We'll start with the classic Outlook for Windows, which is the traditional desktop app many people use. Open Outlook and go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, choose Open and Export. And then click Import Fay Export. In the wizard that appears, select Export to a file and continue. Next, choose Outlook Data File, also known as PST, and continue. You'll now pick the account you want to export. Selecting the top-level account ensures all folders, like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and any custom folders, are included. Make sure the Include Subfolders box is checked, so nothing gets left behind. Click Browse to choose where to save your backup and give it a clear name, like Backup PST, so it's easy to recognize later. Click Finish. You'll see an option to set a password on the PST. That's optional. If you do set one, keep it somewhere safe because you'll need it to open the file later. Depending on the size of your mailbox, the export can take a while. That's normal, and you can keep working while it runs. If you are using the new Outlook for Windows or the Outlook web app, the process happens online. Click the gear icon for settings in the top right corner. Open General, then go to Privacy and Data. Choose Export Mailbox. This kicks off a server-side export of your mailbox into a PST. Here is nothing else you need to do right now. When it's ready, you'll receive an email with a link to download your PST file. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, especially for large mailboxes, so don't worry if it doesn't arrive immediately. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your junk folder just in case the message is filtered. A quick recap in classic Outlook. You export directly from the app and save the PST to a location you choose. In the new Outlook or on the web, you request the export from Settings and wait for the email with your download link. In both cases, the result is the same, a single PST file containing your emails and folders. Store that file in a safe place and consider keeping a second copy on an external drive for peace of mind. Thanks for watching.